a rare estate in the heart of the Dordogne in the Périgord Vert region of southwest France. Built on centuries of history and ready for its next chapter. This is not just a property, it's an opportunity to build something lasting. The estate spans 1.3 hectares, over 3 acres of private grounds, with 1,000 square meters of indoor space across the main house and hospitality buildings. The main house dates from 1950, the hotel and restaurant wing from 1993. The property has its own well alongside mains water, largely renewed electrics, and Wi-Fi access points throughout. The infrastructure is already here. Step outside and you'll find landscaped gardens, a park of mature trees, and a large double pond with a fountain at its center. There's a greenhouse, a vegetable garden, fruit trees, and grapevines. It's a setting that speaks for itself, the kind of grounds that take generations to establish. The pool is a 5 by 10 meter outdoor pool, ready to be renovated to your specification. It comes with a dedicated plant room for the filters and pump, and a 2-story pool house. Beneath the pool area, there's further space with real potential, whether for a wellness suite, a spa, or an additional apartment. The restaurant seats up to 40 guests inside, with central ventilation and large patio doors that open directly onto the terrace, which can accommodate a further 40 guests outside. Whether you're running private dining events, a boutique hotel restaurant, or a destination venue, the space is ready. Behind the restaurant is a full professional kitchen, a hotline with gas stoves, ovens, and a salamander, a separate garde-manger for cold preparation, a dedicated dishwashing station, storage with 4 large fridges and a large freezer, staff bathroom with shower, and a linen room with washing machines, dryer, and ironing machine. This is a serious kitchen, built to operate at scale. The accommodation at Les Aiguillons is varied and full of character, and every unit has its own distinct style. Currently ready, a 2-bedroom apartment, a 1-bedroom apartment, 2 large bed and breakfast rooms, and a very large suite. Still to be realised, a self-contained studio, a further 1-bedroom apartment, and a space that could become 1 or 2 additional apartments, or a wellness centre. 10 to 11 letting units in total once complete. And then there's the private owner's house, your own home within the estate. 2 large bedrooms, a cosy living room with fireplace, a huge kitchen with an island and walk-in pantry, and a large luxury bathroom complete with a roll-top bath and Italian shower finished in Victorian style. Privacy, comfort, and character, all in one. Les Aiguillons is offered for private sale at €697,000. Viewings are by appointment. Visit aiguillons.spikes.com to learn more or get in touch directly to request a viewing.